cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie storyline. But I get scared till I say, yeah, definitely, baby. Almost as if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up for fun.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chen.
Ayun na, ay nagbasa-basa eh. Basta mo na to.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood.
This is the part 2 of Cebu vlog.
Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you that I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be, and maybe it's a good thing. Got a good thing coming, it's a good thing. That we're not who we used to be.
I am slowly learning that even if you react, you don't change anything. It would make people suddenly love and respect me.
Uptown on the road.
It would magically change their minds.
Rooftops, sliding doors. Just wanna know you.
Sometimes it's better to just let things be. Let people go and then fight for closure.
Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my path. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna feel doing things that I shouldn't do. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through a hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. It's the end of the night, feel like you make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby.
Enquanto parede, eu vou acabar contigo. Oi!
Natambunan sa mag-order lang ko. Order lang. Dito na to. Martin, send sa imong gikas.